There are a lot of people out there at the moment that are not enjoying using GPT-5. And if you're one of those people, then what I'd like you to do today is watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can get 4o back in ChatGPT. Now, if you're building NAM workflows, you know that you can swap around between models. This is a method if you are actually using ChatGPT directly. So this is what ChatGPT looks like at the moment at the time of recording this video. And we can see we've got ChatGPT 5 here at the top, but we want to get back to the old models. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to the bottom of ChatGPT and you're going to hit the settings button. Once you've hit the settings button, you'll get the pop-up and you're looking for the show legacy models option. You're going to put that on, and once you have done that, then if you go back up to the top of ChatGPT 5 where you have this drop down, you'll see that you've got these GPT-5 options, but you will also have now this legacy models option that you can click. If you click on that, then you'll be able to access legacy models. So here I've got GPT-4o. I click on that, and then even though it says introducing GPT-5 here, I now have ChatGPT-4o back. Now, word of warning, this will only work if you are going to be using the paid version of ChatGPT. If you are not, then you want to be able to swap into the older models. Then you can use something like Pickaxe or Poe in order to be able to stick with these methods. Now, these softwares are paid. They normally work on a credit system. There is one that has a lifetime deal, which I'll put a link down in the description if you'd like to check that one out. You get a lifetime deal, less than $70, and it's all yours, and you can access legacy models as well. Remember, you can also get them in OpenAI's Playground too. See you in the next video.